Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a complete review of ScreenStudio and help you decide whether it's the right screen recording tool for your content creation workflow. ScreenStudio has become very popular among creators, educators, developers, and startup founders because it focuses heavily on making screen recordings look cinematic and professional without requiring advanced video editing skills. Unlike traditional screen recorders that simply capture your screen, ScreenStudio automatically adds motion effects, zooms, smooth transitions, and polished visuals that instantly make tutorials and product demos look much higher quality. One of the biggest reasons people are switching to ScreenStudio is the automatic camera movement feature. When you move your cursor or focus on different areas of the screen, the software intelligently zooms in and follows the action smoothly. This creates a much more engaging viewing experience because the audience can easily follow what's happening without getting distracted. Normally, creators would need to manually edit these zoom effects later in software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, but ScreenStudio automates most of the process for you. The interface is also extremely clean and beginner-friendly. You can start recording within seconds, and the settings are easy to understand even if you have never used professional recording software before. ScreenStudio supports webcam overlays, microphone recording, background customization, cursor highlighting, and high-resolution exports, which makes it especially useful for YouTube tutorials, online courses, social media clips, and product walkthrough videos. Another impressive feature is the visual quality. Recordings often look very polished immediately after export because the software applies smooth animations and modern styling automatically, which saves creators a huge amount of editing time. Many users especially like the way ScreenStudio creates dynamic movement during otherwise static screen recordings, making tutorials feel more alive and professional compared to standard recordings from tools like OBS. Performance is generally very smooth on modern systems, especially on Mac devices where the software is most optimized. Export speeds are fast, and the final video quality is excellent for long tutorials and short-form content. The ability to create visually appealing videos without a complicated editing workflow is probably the platform's biggest strength. However, there are still a few limitations to consider. ScreenStudio is more focused on polished screen recordings than full professional video editing. If you need advanced timeline editing, heavy effects, or detailed color grading, you may still need separate editing software afterward. Another downside is that some advanced creators may feel the automatic effects can occasionally look repetitive if overused. The software is also relatively new compared to older recording platforms, so certain advanced customization features are still developing. Pricing may also matter, depending on your budget. ScreenStudio is positioned more as a premium creator tool rather than a completely free solution, so casual users may compare it against free alternatives before purchasing. Still, many creators feel the time saved in editing easily justifies the cost. So, ScreenStudio is one of the best modern screen recording tools for creators who want professional-looking videos with minimal editing effort. It combines simplicity, automation, cinematic motion effects, and excellent visual quality into a workflow that saves time while improving production value. If you regularly create tutorials, demos, educational videos, or software walkthroughs, ScreenStudio is definitely worth considering as a powerful tool for creating cleaner and more engaging content online every single day. Subscribe the channel for more videos.